Here we have the Manicure and Pedicure Station. This is a battery-operated, rechargeable, and electric manicure and pedicure filing system. Has a simple on-off switch. Rechargeable batteries are located in the back. Comes with a unique and space-saving docking station that holds the handpiece as well as all of the different tools. 8 different tools come with this kit. You have tools for both manicure and pedicure natural nails. You have tools for manicure on gel polish, acrylic, dipping powder, and any of the latest techniques that are being used. Additional sanding band sleeves to go on the mandrel are also included, along with the diamond cone. The various tools that you have are perfect for pedicures, trimming toenails, cracks in the toes, cracks in the heels, calluses on the heels, calluses on the toes, as well as trimming the length of fingernails and toenails, buffing toenails, smoothing out any rough edges. It's a complete manicure and pedicure system.